What's up, everybody? We got some great news today. We are going to be investing some cash into my portfolio. Just a big shout out to you guys for subscribing and liking all my videos. In the past video, we got 19 likes on it, so I'm gonna stay true to my word and invest $10 for every single like, which comes out to about $190 that I'm gonna be added into what I'm already adding in today. So shout out to y'all for racking up all that money so I could put it into my portfolio. Big news also is that we have crossed the $4,000 mark, and it's honestly been the last couple of weeks great because YouTube and you guys have been holding me accountable, so I have to upload every single week into the portfolio. So that's been helping me stay consistent with this journey. You guys just commenting and showing love on the channel has been helping me so much. So thank you guys so much. And let's get into this portfolio. And today it's been kind of rough, but you know, we'll see it through in the long run. See, we got $4,002.32 in the account. I'm so happy to see that. You know, just growing this account has been, it's been really fun to watch. And you know, I just like stacking that money and seeing my money grow every single day and every single week and every single month. So it's been an amazing journey so far, and we are nowhere near being done. So we're gonna keep on doing this until the wheels fall off. But with that being said, on the day we're down 0.33%, which is a $13.41. On the week we are up $8.67, which is 0.22%. On the month we're up 0.81% for $32.05, and on the 3 months we are up $59.64, and that is a 1.51%. So we're gonna go to the day, and I'm gonna talk about how, you know, when you invest into stocks, or honestly into anything, you gotta have that emotional ability to understand that this is just gonna go down just for the day or the week or the month, but understand that your investments that you have put your money into have been a thoughtful one, and is very educational investment. So you know that it's gonna go back up in the future, and you don't have to pray and worry about that type of stuff. But when the market does go down, and let's just say my portfolio is worth $2,000, most of the companies that I invest in I know are a sure thing and don't just go away just like that in a year and the company crumbles. It doesn't work like that. This is the good time. Let's just say if my portfolio was cut in half, to buy more and more shares of it because it's at a cheaper price. Like last week I bought into Starbucks because on the 3 months it was down 13%. So you know, you just got to find deals like that in the market where it's cheaper to buy and your dollar is worth a lot more. So you just gotta keep your eye on that. I always check my portfolio every single day so I know where the deals are and what my positions are doing, so I'm up to date on that. The big move that I made last week was that I bought 2 shares of Disney, and they paid the semi-annual dividend. On the week, as you guys can see, it's been up $9.46. It's been killing it because of that Disney Plus, and they have a lot more to offer in the marketplace, so I'm super excited about that. 3 months, it's been up 10%, but you know, I added to my watch list. So Apple, I still got on there, McDonald's, Pepsi, Exxon Mobil. Now I'm looking more into these energy sector ones like gas companies and the companies that move natural gases and provide oil to the marketplace, and like gas stations. You know, I buy gas and I'm always at the Mobil station or Shell. I just see where I'm putting my money when I go out and do my thing every single day. And then I kind of look back at the stock and see if it's at a good price and what the dividend yield is, and then put my money into it. Waste management, I'm looking into too because the price is $112, and they got a solid dividend of 1.79%. And also Bill Gates, he has a 10% stake into this company. You know, if you have people like that, don't just base your investments off of that, but it's a good indicator as to see if it's a good company. You know, just like Warren Buffett invests into all the companies he does. Before they make an investment, they do their research and they do all these technical analysis and they study upon them for years, and then they make their move. And when they make their move though, it's going to be hundreds of millions of dollars and sometimes billions of dollars. So that's just a good indicator to see that, you know, if they're looking into it, maybe you should look into it too. Also Verizon, I was actually looking into. I have a position at AT&T, but I'm trying to get into Verizon, so maybe we'll get into that today. We will see. And also I have Verizon myself, so, and they pay a 4.0% dividend, which is solid. But yeah, cool story is that I bought Disney stock last week, and then this week when Disney Plus came out, I have Verizon, and then so I looked on my app, my Verizon app, and they're offering me a full year free of Disney Plus, so definitely took advantage of that. And the new Star Wars series that they created is awesome. You guys should definitely go check that out. It's called The Mandalorian or something like that. I think it's the story of Boba Fett, but if you guys aren't familiar, get hip and start tuning into that. I'm a Star Wars nerd, so go check that out. But remember, like I said, on the downside, don't look at it day by day. Look at it over time. All these stocks that I invest in are long-term positions, which means I'm gonna probably hold them for like 10 plus more years, or even longer than that, 10, 20, 30 years. It's all about the cash flow that this dividend stocks are paying. The longer you hold on to it, the more cash they're gonna pay you every single month, every single 3 months, and every single year. So just keep that in mind. It's not a trading thing. You hold on to these companies so that you can receive the cash flow. That's just all I've been preaching. I know I don't have my cash flow shirt on today, but you know, it's the capitalism shirt. It works about the same thing. And we're going to be buying Shell gas station, okay? So I've been looking into this one. You know, energy sector always pays good. It's not like it's gonna go away anytime soon. But you know, this stock has been taking a hit. Last week, 2%. On a month, it's maintaining. 3 months, it's been doing good. On the year, though, it's down 6.26%. 5 year, 17%. So there's been some decline, which is, you know, it's nice to see, because I know this company's not gonna go out of business, because now I can get to buy it at a cheaper price. So dividend yield is $6.27, which is crazy good. And we're gonna use all the $600 to buy as much as we can of this. So I'm pretty sure that we could buy 10 shares of it. So let's lock that in. Oh, not enough buying power. So okay, so we're gonna have to buy 9 of it. Oh, not 19, 9 of it. There we go. $527.77. Send it. Let's go, baby. Now we got a nice position. Now that's gonna boost our annual income. Like I always say, oh, we have actually some more, $75. Let's see what we can buy. $75. Okay, I'm gonna buy some more Unilever. Buy some of that. 1 share. Send it. Okay. And then I always do $16.97. I always dump it into Ford. And to recap, we did buy Shell, 9 shares of that, added to the Unilever position, and now we have a total of, where is it at? 50 shares of Ford. So now, just to close up the video, you guys have been awesome. Thank you guys for liking all of my YouTube videos and subscribing. Smash the like button on this one and smash the subscribe button. It's always a pleasure when you guys are watching my videos and commenting and interacting with it. So, you know, I've been pretty blessed with you guys having a good, solid fan base. This is week 6, so smash this so your like equals $10 that I can put into my portfolio. We hit 19 likes last week, which is awesome. So that was $190 that I got to add to my portfolio just from you guys liking it. So let's get higher than that next week. And don't forget to check out all my affiliate links down below. Please leave a comment, tell me what you think, and tell me if there's some things that you want me to change or you want me to add into these segments every single week for the Robinhood Portfolio Challenge. And you know, you guys been great. Thank you guys so much. Peace and love.